Hi, I'm Mark.
I'm Sam.
We are the creators of Zoo Tycoon, the board game.
The initial Zoo Tycoon campaign was a huge success and we received overwhelmingly positive feedback on the game. This really means the world to us since we've put a lot of passion and energy into this game.
It also reinforced our belief that Zoo Tycoon's story isn't over yet. We knew there is still a lot of potential to add new elements to the game, and that's exactly what we did with the big expansion, New Shores.
New Shores, with its 24 new main species, complements the gameplay of the base game without making it more complicated. With this expansion, the element of water and species from new regions such as Australia and the cold Arctic play a big role. In addition, each zoo now features a vivarium where you can choose from 48 fantastic indoor species.
But that's not all. With the newly developed modular animal exchange that comes with New Shores, you can mix and match all the new species for endless combinations.
And let's not forget the additional species pack, which includes 8 fan favorites chosen by the fans for the fans.
This is the final campaign of Zoo Tycoon, the board game, as the expansion completes the game experience. It is therefore also your last chance to get the deluxe versions of both games, including 460 beautiful printed animal meeples.
So please help us to bring this project to life and give the Zoo Tycoon series its well-deserved conclusion.
Thank you so much.